Oh my god, I'm an orca. Thank you for saving us. Stupid orca. Akira, why are you in my bathtub?
You know what I like to do when I'm bored? I like to talk about the Pacific Ocean.
Wait, what?
Did you know that the Pacific Ocean is mostly composed of the tropical and subtropical zones?
Akira, I don't care about this.
Let's talk about the tropic layers now. Did you know that kelp is a producer and it thrives in cold water?
Akira, get out of my house.
In fact, most producers such as diatoms and algae get their energy from photosynthesis.
Akira, please shut up, Akira.
Next on the list we talk about primary consumers.
Dude, how did you get in? How was the door unlocked? How did you get in my house?
The primary consumers consist of fish such as krill, shrimp, and mullet. Incidentally, they're all
Akira, who are you looking at?
You know, like herbivores are animals that eat plants.
Akira, who are you
Isn't that
talking
extravagant?
to? Who else is in my house?
They eat things such as seagrass and algae. Oh, excuse me, Michael, what are you doing?
Calling 911, freak.
Then of course we have the secondary consumers. One example of a secondary consumer is a whale. Whales are also omnivores. Whales are found in the northern part of the Pacific. Right.
Dude, how did that picture come on my wall?
The great white shark is found anywhere in coastal and offshore areas. The bull shark is found anywhere between Baja California and Ecuador. The tiger shark is found in tropical and subtropical areas in the South Pacific.
Okay, Akira, I think I have diagnosed our problem here. You're in my tub! Get out! Now! Go! Just take the toys. Just get out of my house. Oh, thank God.
We haven't discussed the tetrabores yet. Two main composers are the notorious spaghetti worm and amphipod crustaceans. Spaghetti worms live in fish. Amphipod crustaceans are found basically everywhere. The spaghetti worm eats white trout, redfish, and sea trout. Delicious. Amphipod crustacean grazes, eats algae, crustaceans, insects, predators, and omnivores.
Nutritious.
All these animals work together in the food web. Some of these even work together in action called symbiosis, where like barnacles interact with whales. You know how that, you know.
What?
Did you know that the Pacific Ocean is being polluted as we speak? All the trash that's getting into the Pacific is being mushed together in this whirlpool.
This is disgusting. Look at my hand. What?
Now on to genetics.
Oh, genetics. Get out of my tub.
There are unsuitable conditions for a species. The fittest of the species
Go away.
will live on, mate, and give its genes on to the next generation.
Find your way out.
Dun 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 dun.